Good morning students. Welcome to this video of MS Access. In this video, we are going to understand how we can apply query in MS Access. As we know that we store a huge amount of data in a database. So to extract a particular desired data record, what we need to do? We have to apply a query. So let's see how we can apply a query. What are the steps for the same? Suppose, for example, you have stored a table in a database, namely marks. In the marks table, you have all the data records of all the students with their marks. But suppose, for example, you just want to extract those data records, only those students' records which have scored more than 70 marks. So what should you do? You have to apply a query for the same. So how should we apply a query? How should we fix the criteria and condition? Let's see in this video. So first step will be you have to click upon create button. Then just click upon query design button as shown in this picture. In the second step, you will find one show table dialog. In the show table dialog, you just click upon the table which you want to add and then click upon the add button to add this table in this dialog. And then you may close the show table dialog over here. Now you will observe that table that you actually assigned in the show table dialog will be shown here as example is given in the picture. Now you have to click upon the particular field that you want to add in the design grid given below. आपको ये जो नीचे डिज़ाइन ग्रिड दिखाई दे रहा है इसमें आप सारे फील्ड्स और उनकी डिटेल्स देख सकते हैं. Then just fix the criteria and click upon run button to execute the given query. You can find the selected or filtered records in the grid-like format like shown in the picture. For example, if you have fixed a criteria, suppose in a company table, आप केवल लिनो डेलीकेट्स नाम की टेबल को रिकॉर्ड को शो करना चाहते हैं whose order quantity is less than 5, तो आपको क्राइटेरिया में ये मेंशन करना होगा एज अ कंडीशन एंड जस्ट सी आपको केवल एक ही रिकॉर्ड मिलेगा जिसमें उस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी की डिटेल्स यहाँ पे शो हो रही है लिनो डेलीकेट्स की जिसमें ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी लेस देन 5 है. The desired record is written to you. Hope you understood the video. Just try it once again in MS Access practically. Thank you so much for seeing the same. Bye bye. Take care.